Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another topic, that is area of circles from perimeter and area 7th class NCERT. So in previous videos we already discussed about the circle and circumference of a circle. This is the topic about the area of a circle. This is little bit difficult from the area of a square and area of a rectangle finding. So let's start. Here I took a circle. R is equal to 4.9 centimeters. Okay. So write down it here. It is in the part of finding area of a circle. So R is equal to 4.9 centimeters. This is just for example how to find area of a circle. Now I am making this is half part as this color and half part as another color. It means one semicircle has one color, another semicircle has another color. So see like this. Now this is a diameter with 9.8 centimeters. Now we have to find the area of a circle. So D is equal to 2 into R, that is equal to 9.8 centimeter. Now area of circle is, I am doing one thing with this. So now I am folding in the middle of the circle like this. See, these two are equal. Now folding like this. Now we got the 4 parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again I am folding like this. See, this is like pizza slice, right? So I am folding like this. So if you open this circle, see, if you open this circle like this, we got some lines here. Now we have to cut this circle along with these lines. Now this is cutted shape of figure, that is circle. Now we have to arrange like this. See, this is the 1 and this is the 2. See, and 3 and 4. This is the 5 and this is the 6 and this is the 7. Finally, this is the 8. If you observe this pattern, see, this is top and this is bottom. Now I am drawing slightly with a pencil. You will get better understanding. See, this is like this. And top is also like this. And side is like this. And here also we are having like this. See, this is a shape of parallelogram, right? From the circle, right? So this is a parallelogram. We know the area of parallelogram. What is the area of a parallelogram? Yes, you are right. Length into breadth. So here we can calculate length, but we have to remember one thing. This is as radius, right? So each side is called radius and breadth is circumference. But here is 1/2 circumference and here is also half circumference. So 1/2 into circumference. Now 1/2 into C into R. So we know the C, that is equal to 2 pi R, right? So 1/2 into 2 pi R into R. Now 2 gets cancelled. Pi R square is the area of the circle. Therefore, area of the circle is equal to pi R square. So this is the way to find the area of a circle. If you have any doubt, you can cut this circle into 62 chords. So if you make that is into 62 chords, then arrange like this, you will get better understanding about the what is the area of a circle also. Here one thing we have to note, that is pi is equal to 22/7. It is also constant value. So this is a circumference and this is a pi. Here r means radius of the circle. So here this is half circumference and this is also half circumference and it is radius. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.